Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. How are you everyone? I have an opinion about learning English language. I have some students in my coaching center. In just 1 month, I have experienced that most of the guardians and some students are very impatient about learning a language. Let me tell you one thing, that learning a language is a very slow process. If you cannot learn a language in just 1 month or 2 months, and sometimes it's not possible in 3 months. What you have to do, you have to practice continuously what you learn from the teacher for for at least 6 months, or sometimes you need 1 year, and sometimes you need 2 years. Continuously practicing, studying the language the way your teacher teaches you. So what you have to do, you cannot be impatient about learning the language. You cannot be hasty that in just 1 or 2 months you will become very fluent in English language. You have to be patient, and you have to have that ambition about not giving up learning the language, and you have to practice a lot. The As a teacher, I have some experience that how a kid or some students learn the language. The only key point is consistency. When you are consistent, when you listen English every day, when you study English every day, and when you practice speaking English every day, you will see, even writing, when you do it every day, after 6 months or 1 or 2 years, you will see that you have become very confident about your English. You are speaking English very well, and you are writing well, and your understanding about native language has improved a lot. So what you have to do, you have to be very consistent, and you cannot give up. You cannot be hopeless in just 1 or 2 months. What you have to do, you have to consistent and practice every day. So from me, the message to the guardians and the students who are ambitious about learning any language, not only English, you have to consistent, and you have to practice it each and every day, and you have to trust your teacher, the experience or research of your teacher, that he learned something and he wants to give you something, and you have to have that ambition to accept that. So thank you very much. Be consistent and never give up on learning the language. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Let me show you the garden of my sister, my elder sister. It's my nephew, and he is hiding his face because he is very shy human being. He is an engineer right now. You see, he's smiling, and it is the garden of my sister. You can see a gourd here, and lots of things, and some of the flowers plant is given. Some of the flower plants are given by me. You see the red one, and there are lots of lots of plants here, especially tomatoes. I have eaten some tomatoes today from this garden, and I really like to do gardening, and my elder sisters also likes to create a garden, and I really love it a lot. So this is the this is the message from me, and as an entertainment, I'm showing you the garden of my sister. You see, there are lots of vegetables here, tomatoes, and different kind of flowers here. And I believe this flower plant is given by me. It's really beautiful, and because of the sun, it blossoms nicely. Okay, assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.